What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be filming a how to do mermaid waves hair. I'm really excited to do this video because I haven't done this to my hair actually in a really long time. So I'm excited because now I have this cute little hair and I get to show you guys how I achieve this look. I'm going to be using the Bedhead Wave Artist. It's like this purple one. I got it off Amazon for, I want to say like $25. I know for a fact it was less than 30 though, for sure. So I remember when I first got it though, I did not know how to use this thing at all. And I was like on YouTube trying to search like how to do mermaid waves and all this stuff. So I thought I'd make a really quick and easy how to do mermaid hair waves. And this is just how I achieved my look. So I hope you guys like it. Make sure to like and subscribe and I'll just get into it. Okay, so my hair is like kind of a mess right now. My extensions like obviously aren't blended or anything, but this is just how I do my mermaid waves. So I'm going to start off with using just heat protectant. Just spray this throughout the whole mane. Ooh, it smells strong. Then I'm just going to comb it through. I usually use a different heat protectant spray because I have extensions by the Matrix, but I'm all out and my order isn't going to be here until April 20th. So can't just go to Ulta again and get it. So I'm just going to comb it through to like hopefully evenly disperse that. And then I personally think that like my mermaid waves look best when it's not like freshly cleaned hair, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go in with my Batiste Instant Hair Refresher Shampoo. I like the scent Clean and Light Bare. I think it smells like the best. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and spray this throughout my whole hair. Okay, so I really don't spray that much. I feel like my hair holds better when it's like a little bit dirtier. So I'm just gonna start by sectioning off my hair, like in no specific way, kind of. I honestly just like split it down somewhat evenly in the back. I'm just gonna section this side of my hair off. And then I'm gonna start on this side. So I know you're supposed to like section off your hair into smaller pieces and stuff, but I really don't do that well. So I just go in with a piece of hair like this wide, I don't know. And then I'm just gonna start, oh wait, I have it this way. I'm gonna start like near the top and then just hold for 3 seconds about. And then where it ends, I'm gonna start the crunch again. And I kind of like to hold down the piece that was in the front. I feel like it like gives a better wave. And I'm not gonna go all the way down. Like I probably leave about an inch because I feel like it like blends better once like your hair is all finished. So that's that piece. And you can use however thick of pieces you want to use or however like thin of pieces you want to use. I personally just like the thicker wave look. I feel like it really gives like that beachy look that everybody's like trying to achieve for summer and stuff. So this is just the way I personally mermaid wave my hair. I'm just gonna do like most of my hair and then in the front I'll show you the technique I do because it's a little bit different than the technique I do for the majority of my hair. Okay, so now that a majority of like the left side is done, for my right side, I don't really like personally when my like wave starts all the way up here, like whereas like for this piece, like it starts all the way kind of like at the root. For like my face framing, I just feel like it doesn't really look best on my face shape. But this doesn't need to be like for everyone who wants to do this. So I will start, I have to like do it a certain way because I have extensions to try to like blend it in, but I'll start like maybe like 2-3 inches below the root so that I don't have the wave like right in front of my face, because I feel like, one, it like messes with my eyelash extensions too, because like it's like getting in my face, and two, I just feel like it works better for my face shape to not have the waves right in front of my face. So as you can see, my bangs, majority of them are not really gonna be that wavy. So this is pretty much the left side done. If you want it to be wavier, just obviously hold down for longer. Sometimes I go in on like certain pieces, like this one in the front, I would probably do, and make it a little bit more wavier than the other pieces. Because I don't really care too much if the back is like perfectly waved. But yeah, so this is the left side. I'm gonna go ahead and do my right side. I'll show you guys how I do the front on my right side as well, just in case you guys wanna see it again. Okay, so we're starting back at the front again. I like to, again, blend my bangs in with like longer extensions that I have. My hair is honestly like really short. It's like maybe like a little bit longer than my collarbone, I would say. And I have 22-inch extensions. So I really try to blend them in as much as I can whenever I'm like doing my hair. And like I said again, we're not really going too close to the root when doing this, just because I don't like the curls right at my face. I don't even know if my like little finger helps. It's just personally what I do, just because I feel like it did. Because the first time I ever used this thing, it did not look good, and I like couldn't get the waves down. It just was like a mess. Okay. So this is it with both sides done. You can honestly leave it on your hair for longer if you want it to be a little bit wavier. I'll probably go in with this piece and just fix this one a little bit. I care, like I said, more about the front than I do like the back, because I'd rather the front be wavier. I feel like it's like more natural and like kind of looks like you braided it when the front's more wavier than the back. So yeah, this is gonna be the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair with hairspray so that it'll stay and it like won't get super frizzy or anything. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Aussie Mega Hairspray 24-hour flexible hold. I have like a super big one of it, and I'm literally just gonna, I kind of like, when it's wet, I kind of like to like scrunch it up a little bit so that I feel like it like holds better when I do that, because this isn't the super like strong hairspray. It's really light and flexible, so I feel like it kind of will drag your hair down if you like don't hold it. And I like to put a little bit on my fingers and like, oops, brush my flyaways down. And I also like to go in on my bangs and just make sure that they are perfectly like straight in the front, kind of. Does that make sense? And yeah, so this is the finished look for how I get my mermaid waves. It's really like not that hard, but at first it can be kind of difficult to like learn how to use this hair tool. Oops, I forgot to turn it off. So I recommend trying it out a couple times, like when you, I mean, right now you have nothing to do. So try it out a couple times, really get to like know what waves you like the best and like how long you like to hold it down on your hair, because I know some people like to hold it down on their hair for like 10 seconds or like 5 seconds. I literally do 3, so it looks like I just braided my hair, woke up, and then like I'm going out now. But it's all up to you, whatever you like best. This is just how I personally like how it looks best on me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Honey, won't you come with me? I'll make sure you get all your diamond